What's this about? You okay?
I need you to sign a cell ticket for a client of mine.
Fuck, Greg. Let's fucking deal with this and talk to Michael.
Wait, Chris. I got arrested last night.
What?
The FBI arrested me.
The FBI? Why the fuck would the FBI arrest you?
Because of my involvement in this firm.
Your involvement in this firm? What the fuck does that mean?
Oh, come on, man. You know what that means.
No, I don't know what that means. What does that mean? What did you tell them?
They knew everything. Now they had photographs, they had tape recorded conversation. They brought my father in. There was nothing I could do.
What did you do?
Chris, the FBI is gonna raid this place in 20 minutes.
What the fuck are you talking about? Fuck,
Oh,
Seth!
come on, man. I asked you for months about shit going down here. And you told me to shut the fuck up. You said, get ready to be a millionaire.
That's right. Shut the fuck up. That's all you had to do. Didn't you learn anything?
I learned how to fuck people out of their money. Harry Reynard just lost his life savings. And he wasn't a whale. He was a poor smuck. And I took him. I did exactly what J.T. Marlin taught me to do. And I made up his mind for him.
What do you want me to tell you? That's what we do here.
We lie? We liars?
Seth, listen. Who are they coming for?
They are coming for everybody. Everything.
Do you know how hard I've worked to get to where I am?
Chris, you have to forget about that. That doesn't mean shit. Right now, in this very moment, is what you should be thinking about. They're going to come in here, and they're going to make sure that we never trade another share of stock for the rest of our lives. But we can do something.
What's that?
Harry, my client, I need a senior broker to sign a sell ticket so that he can take his share and dump them on the open market so that he can make his money back. Do one thing right here. Just sign it. Thank you, Chris. And I'm sorry.